Ever wondered if magic is real? Today, we're stepping into the pages of Harry Potter to discover magical places you can visit in real life. Dear travelers, get ready for an expedition across enchanting landscapes and captivating real-life places that look like a set out of Harry Potter. Suit up, butterbeer in hand, and let's apparate into the extraordinary. First stop, York, England. Picture this. Cobblestone streets, crooked buildings practically hugging each other overhead, and a whiff of something magical in the air. No, it's not a butterbeer hangover, it's the Shambles. This medieval street with its wonky charm is said to be the inspiration behind Diagon Alley. Can't you just see Hagrid leading Harry through the crowds? Just watch out for errant owls carrying Hogwarts letters. Next, we're teleporting, not apparating, mind you, to Manchester, England. Prepare to be wowed by the John Rylands Library. This architectural masterpiece, with its soaring ceilings, stained glass windows, and endless rows of books, is like stepping right into the Hogwarts library. It's the kind of place where you expect to find ancient spells, or maybe even a hidden room of requirement. Just, try not to return any overdue books by owl post. Alright friends, grab your wands and appetites, we're heading to Christchurch Dining Hall at the University of Oxford. Now I know what you're thinking, NPH, isn't Oxford a tad posh for us wizards? And you'd be right, except for one thing. This dining hall is practically a dead ringer for the Great Hall at Hogwarts. Remember those epic feasts with floating candles and mountains of food? Yeah, this place oozes that same magical atmosphere. The soaring ceilings, the long hallowed tables. It's enough to make you believe you'll bump into Dumbledore himself. Just don't try to sneak in any fire whiskey. The muggles here are sticklers for the rules. If Hogsmeade had a French cousin with impeccable taste, it would be Colmar. Picture this: cobblestone streets, houses painted in candy colors, and more flower boxes than you can shake a wand at. It's like stepping into a storybook, but with less danger of being cursed. Probably. You can almost imagine Hagrid strolling through the market square, searching for some rare magical creature ingredient. Just remember to exchange your galleons for euros, because even in a magical place like this, they don't accept wizarding currency. Let's be honest, after all this sightseeing, even a wizard needs a drink. And there's no better place to quench your magical thirst than the Cauldron in Edinburgh, Scotland. This isn't your average pub. Oh no, this place is all about embracing your inner wizard. We're talking potion-making classes with bubbling concoctions, steaming goblets of butterbeer, and an atmosphere that screams, Axio, good time! Who knows, you might even find yourself a new familiar while you're there. Just watch out for any rogue Cornish pixies. They love a good pub brawl. And our magical journey takes us across the pond, to my old stomping grounds. Well, not really, but a sophisticated fella can dream. Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. boasts architecture so grand, so Hogwarts, you'd swear you saw a gargoyle wink. Those stately halls, the echoing courtyards. Picture Hermione rushing to ancient ruins, or Ron trying to discreetly conjure up a snack. Okay, maybe not Ron, but you get the picture. This place screams enchantment, minus the talking portraits of course, but hey, a little imagination goes a long way, right? From the hallowed halls of learning, we journey to the rugged beauty of Glencoe, Scotland. This isn't just any landscape, people, it's the backdrop for some of the most iconic scenes in the Harry Potter films. Remember Hagrid's hut nestled against the dramatic slopes? Or the breathtaking views as Harry soars over the highlands on Buckbeak? Glencoe is a character in itself, wild, majestic, and undeniably magical. I mean, you half expect a hippogriff to swoop down any minute. Just watch out for rogue quaffles, you know how those Gryffindors are. Next stop, Edinburgh, Scotland, and prepare to be spellbound. Victoria Street, with its curving cobbled path and vibrant higgledy-piggledy shops, is said to be the inspiration for Diagon Alley. And let me tell you, the resemblance is uncanny. You can almost hear the clinking of cauldrons and smell the whiff of strange and wonderful potions. Who knows, you might even bump into a mischievous Weasley twin or two. No need for flu powder here, just a sense of adventure and maybe a galleon or two for souvenirs. Hey there, fellow Potterheads. Remember that breathtaking scene where Harry first lays eyes on Hogwarts? The magic, the mystery, the sheer architectural awesomeness? Well, get ready to be spellbound again because our next stop takes us to Mont Michel in Normandy, France. This island abbey, perched dramatically on a rocky islet, is about as close to Hogwarts as you can get in the real world. The soaring spires, ancient walls, and the way it seems to rise out of the sea, it's enough to make you believe in magic all over again. And trust me, the view from the top, legendary. Ever wished you could ditch those dress robes and rock a killer dress or tux at the Yule ball? Well, grab your dancing shoes because our final destination takes us to Montreal, Canada, where the magic of the Yule ball comes alive every year. That's right, Muggles. This epic event lets you relive the enchantment of that iconic night, complete with music, dancing, and costumes that would make even Fleur Delacour jealous. So polish your wand-spinning skills, practice your best Beauxbaton strut, and get ready for a night of pure magical revelry. You never know, you might even bump into your own Victor Crumb, or Crumette. So there you have it, folks. Real-world locations that bring the magic of Harry Potter to life. From the cobbled streets of York to the soaring spires of Mont Saint-Michel, we've journeyed through some of the most enchanting destinations on Earth. Hopefully, this video has inspired you to pack your bags and let these magical places cast their spell on you. Which of these places would you like to visit first? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more magical journeys. This is Global Travel Venture. Until next time, safe travels.